morning, students. How are you all? Hope everybody are fine. Previous class we discussed about finding the HCF of factorization method and also prime factorization method. Okay. Today the two properties are see the properties of HCF. First one is HCF of one and a number is always one. HCF of one and a number is always 1. HCF means what first? Highest common factor. Common factor means ఏవైనా 2 or more numbers ఉన్నాయి. First example, find the HCF of 1 and 10. 1 యొక్క 1 10 ఈ రెండిటి యొక్క కామన్ హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Find the HCF of 1 and 10. First of all, write the factors of 1. Factors of 1 is equal to only 1. 1 కి only 1 factor ఉంటుంది. 1 has only 1 factor. Remaining all numbers at least 2 factors. Number 1 and number itself. But 1 has only one factor, that is itself only. Next, factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 is a factor of 10. 1 tens are 10. 2 is a factor of 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 is a factor of 10. 5 2s are 10 and 10 is a factor of 10. So, HCF means highest common factor. Common గా అంటే 1 కి 1 factor కదా ఉంది. 1 and 10 కి common గా ఏమున్నాయి? ఈ 1 ఈ 1. So, HCF of 1 and 10 is equal to 1. 1 తో 1 దీనికి కాంబినేషన్ ఏ నెంబర్ వచ్చినా సరే HCF ఏమైపోతుంది? 1 and any number. HCF of 1 and any number is 1. That is our first property. Second one, HCF of any two prime number is always 1. HCF of any two prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers means a prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. A 2 factors unte that is called prime numbers. మరి HCF of any 2 prime numbers అంటే 2 prime numbers కి suppose for example find the HCF of 11 and 13. Here 11 is a prime number. Prime number కి 11 కి factors ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? 1 11s are 11 and also 11 1s are 11. ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? No. This is not a composite number. This is a prime number. Prime number has only 2 factors. Here 11 also prime number, 13 also prime number. So find the HCF of 11 and 13 ante any prime numbers. HCF of any 2 prime number is always 1. Enduku 1 vastundi? Factors of 11. What are the factors of 11? 1 and 11. What are the factors of 13? 1 and 13. 1 11 1 13 ఈ రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా ఉంది 1 కదా. Factors of 11 and 13 అంటే factors HCF of any 2 prime numbers is always 1. Okay, any 2 prime numbers, you have take any prime numbers. HCF of any 2 prime number is always 1 and also HCF of 1 and a number is always 1. These are the 2 properties of HCF. HCF of 1 and any number is always 1 and also HCF of any 2 prime number is also 1. Is it clear? Okay. Let us practice 1.7. Let us practice 1.7 లో లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనము ఫస్ట్ 2 sums ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ find the HCF of the following. Third one is 1 and 7. Property and మనకి HCF properties లో second property HCF of any 2 prime number is always 1. So here 1 is a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 and any number. HCF of 1 and any number is always 1. So what is the HCF? HCF is equal to 1. 1 and any number. What is our properties? HCF of 1 and any number is always 1. Here also 1 and 14. What is the HCF here? HCF is equal to 1. 1 and any number. This is our first property. Property use చేసుకొని మనము HCF ని find out చేయాలి. HCF of 1 and any number is always 1. That's why HCF of 1 and 7 is equal to 1. Here also HCF of 1 and 14 is equal to 1. Next, fifth one is 37 and 29. What are the factors of 37? 37 is prime number or composite number? Prime number. So prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. So what is the HCF of 37 and 29? 29 also prime number. Prime numbers of HCF of any two prime number is always 1. Kabatti HCF of 37 and 29 is also 1. These two are first property and this one is second property. Okay. HCF of 1 and any number is always 1. HCF of any two prime numbers is always 1. 37 ki common factors 1 ఏ ఉంటుంది, 29 కూడా 1 ఏ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి HCF of 1 and any two prime numbers is always 1. Next, sixth question. Find the HCF of 96, 64 and 112. So these are the composite numbers. We have to find out prime factorization method. First one, 96 is divisible by 2. How many times? 2 4s are 8, 16 ఉంటుంది, 2 8s are 16. At the same time, 48 is also divisible by 2. 2 divides 48 24 times. And also 2 divides 24 12 times. And 2 divides 12 6 times. And also 2 divides 6 3 times. This 3 is also a prime factor. 2 is also prime factor. These 2's are prime factors. Next, ఇంకేమైనా possibilities ఉన్నాయా? 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Next. So to find the prime factors of 64, which is the least prime factor? 2. 2 is 2 divides 64 32 times. Okay. So this 32 is divisible by 2. How many times? 16 times. 2 divides 16 8 times. And also 2 divides 8 4 times. And 2 divides 4 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 32s are 64. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Also 2 2s are 4. These are the prime factors of 64. Next, 112. This is also divisible by 2. 2 divides 112. How many times? 56 times. This 2 divides 56. How many times? 28 times. This 2 divides 28. How many times? 14 2s are 28. And also 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7. 7 ki ఏమైనా possibilities ఉన్నాయా? Factors రాయగలమా? No. 7 is also a prime number. And we get the prime number. Okay. So these are the prime factors of 96 and 64 and 112. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So what is the HCF? Highest common factor. మనకి కామన్ గా ఉన్న ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏమన్నా చూడండి. దిస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 3 2 ఇక్కడ ఉంది, మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది. సో హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 into here also 2 into and here also common 2 and here also 2 is common. Next, ఇక్కడ 7 ఉంది, మనకి ఇక్కడ లేవు కదా. సో this 4 enough. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Therefore, HCF is equal to 16. You understand? Already you know how to do the prime factorization method. So let us practice 1.7 and keep the heading and copy this. Once again, see, the HCF of 1 and any number is always 1, and HCF of any two prime numbers is also 1. This is prime factorization method. Is it clear? Take notebook and copy. Today's homework is find the greatest number that exactly divides 112 and 176. Okay? So, greatest number అని అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి you have to do the highest common factor of 112 and 176. Okay? Will you do the homework? Do the homework and send me in my WhatsApp. Thank you.